Almost got me that time. Can't see. Fuck.
Are you alive?
Hey. What's up? Oh, yeah, shit. That's right.
Oh.
Just got raped.
Unexpected.
Just got raped. Alright.
You're not supposed to be gay.
What? What?
What?
What?
Just because you can grab things does not mean they're yours. Lumpy? You gotta shut the door all the way, fool.
Ready?
No?
Do it, let's go.
Say goodbye.
Bye.